Garuda in Hindu mythology. Garuda is a powerful and revered deity in Hinduism and is known as the mount of Lord Vishnu. Let's dive deeper into the story of Garuda and his significance in Hindu mythology. The birth of Garuda. Garuda was born to Vahana, one of the wives of the sage Kashyapa. According to the myth, Vahana and her sister Kadru had a bet over the color of the tail of the celestial horse Cheshravas. When Vahana lost the bet, she became a servant to her sister. Garuda was born to Vahana as a result of her prayers to Lord Vishnu for a son who could liberate her